Alright, I'm going to go over the very basics of exhaust wrap. Essentially, you're going to need, DEI titanium, whatever wrap you choose to use. Some sort of, wow, my camera's not being nice. Focus. Anywho, sort of stainless ties. I recommend gloves. I haven't been poked by those yet, but it creates a lot of little fibers. I don't know if you can see that. Those little shiny things, there's fibers. And again, I haven't been poked yet, but I don't trust it. Get some gloves you don't care about. Crappy scissors from Harbor Freight. And then this little tool, you see that split in it? The whole idea is to twist once you get those ties on it, right? So, let's get started. Just have a little section to do. Okay, so first thing you'll notice, if you're not careful, this happens. Or if you're at the end of the roll, in my case here, this is not the same tape I showed you. A little different section I had left over. But obviously I'm most of the way done, right? So, biggest thing you'll notice is it's woven, depending on how you pull it, different stuff could happen there. But basically, what I'm going to do is take it, tuck it under like so, and start wrapping. Obviously this is not an ideal area by any means. I'm going to try a couple different ways here first. Wrap it around this way maybe. I'm going to pull it pretty tight, and then you also want to hold it, otherwise it's just going to unravel on you. I do a lot of handlebars at work, bicycle handlebars. I'm pretty accustomed to a similar process. So they recommend overlapping once when you're starting tape section. I definitely agree with that. Otherwise you're going to end up with pieces. Probably. Just kind of not wrapping tight, not wrapped tightly over time. So definitely overlap it once. And after that, I think they recommend, I believe it was 1/4 inch. Remember right? So you see here. Oh, lovely timing as usual. Wrap it like so. Wrap it like so. And wrap it like so. This is my last piece, and I don't care. I'm just gonna wrap it over, tuck it, and not the prettiest thing in the world because of the way this angle on this pipe is, but it works. Look at that. And to end it, it's just like a big metal zip tie, except you can't really release it easily. But obviously much too long, so I was using these on the other parts of this. Push it through. It's not going to come back out after it goes through, pretty much. I have yet to try to undo one. I had to cut one before because I couldn't figure it out. Like this. this. Boom, you're done. So after you tighten them up, trim them off like so. I want to push that down because those will cut the living crap out of you. This is basically a giant stainless steel razor blade. I realize I don't have gloves on now, but again, it was just a precaution of my own. There. It'll be fine. And I like to press them down just with some metal because they are quite hard to push down otherwise. So, alright. That doesn't look too terribly bad for what it is. This little part, I don't know what could be done about that, but it's fine. Did that part pretty nicely.